Congratulations, graduates!
Congratulations, graduates!
Congratulations, graduates!
Congratulations, graduates!
Congratulations, graduates!
Congratulations, graduates! Yun lang.
From the Environment and Energy Engineering Group,
Congratulations, graduates! Padayon!
Check nyo, sir.
Ay, ito lang naman.
Mula sa Italy,
Mula sa Japan!
At mula sa Pilipinas, sa aming mga minamahal na graduates,
Tapos na ang biyahe bilang estudyante.
magsisimula na ang landas bilang inhinyero.
pagbati mula sa Transportation Engineering Group,
Dear graduates, meron kaming pabaon sa inyo. Tanggapin ninyo ang maletang ito na naglalaman ng mga payo, paalala at munting mensahe mula sa amin.
As you step beyond the halls of ICE, we hope you carry with you not only the knowledge and skills you have gained, but also the values that shape you along the way. Honor, excellence, and service.
as future civil engineers, may you remember that every drainage line, flood control structure, and water system is not just a mere project, but a promise of safety, dignity, and resilience for communities.
May you always design with wisdom, build with integrity, and serve with purpose.
May this suitcase remind you that wherever life takes you, you have a home in ICE, a community that believes in you, and the responsibility to use your engineering education for the good of others.
Para sa ICE Class of 2026, baunin ninyo ang tapang, malasakit at pangarap. Malayo pa ang inyong mararating at buong puso kaming naniniwala sa inyo.
Padayon!
Congratulations, Class of 2026! Honor, excellence, and service! Padayon!
Ang bawat matibay na struktura ay nagsisimula sa tamang plano. Parang pumasok tayo sa pavilion. May mga blueprint na tayo ng ating mga pangarap.
Pero hindi madali ang actual side. Pinagdaanan natin ng pagod, puyat, mga bumabagsak na quiz, at kung ano-ano pa man. Pero parang konkreto, sa pagdaan ng panahon, lalo tayong pinitibay.
At sa bawat nilaya o perya, mayroon tayong mga diskarte. Meron tayong bayanihan between the groupmates at higit sa lahat, wala tayong iwanan hanggang sa matapos ang project.
Ngayong araw, nabot na ang time of completion ng inyong pag-aaral. It's time for the final turnover. Handa na kayong itayo ang kinabukasan ng ating bayan.
Mula
sa inyong Construction, Engineering, and Management family,
isang pagkikas sa pagbati sa Class of 2026.
the ICE graduating class of 2026, congratulations on reaching this remarkable milestone in your lives. Today marks more than just the completion of academic requirements and years of study. It celebrates your perseverance, growth, and the countless moments that shaped you to become who you are today. Each challenge you faced, each lesson you learned, and each step you took have prepared you for the opportunities and responsibilities that lie ahead. As you leave UP and step into a new chapter in your lives, remember that success is not measured only by your achievements or titles, but by the lives you impact, the integrity you uphold, and the purpose with which you serve. May you move forward with courage to pursue your dreams, humility to continue learning, and wisdom to use your knowledge for the good and betterment of others. The future will bring you not only opportunities, but also make you face uncertainties. But be confident that you have already shown that you are capable of growing through every season. Celebrate this moment with gratitude for those who have supported you, your families, your mentors, your friends, and one another. May your future be meaningful, purposeful, and filled with opportunities to make a difference. And may Godspeed be with you. So the GEG would like to greet you.
Congratulations to the ICE
graduating
class of
2026.
From your 107 admin staff.
Congratulations, graduates! Padayon!
Congratulations, graduates!
Congratulations, graduates! Good luck sa inyong career.
Congrats and padayon.
Congratulations, graduates! Good job! Congratulations, graduates, and good luck!
Congratulations, CE Class of 2026. Ang galing naman. This is a huge achievement to all our BS grads. Sana, I wish you all the best as you start your careers. And then to our masters and PhD grads, congratulations to all of you. I hope you'll be able to continue, you'll find the opportunities to continue and further deepen your research so that it will find impact, it will be of impact to the lives of the Filipino people. So, congratulations sa inyong lahat. Huwag kalimutan ang sambayanan. Padayon!